Because of the consistent turn of events and promotion of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and calculated arrangements that could further develop client association with crypto. One of these tasks is the Cosmos organization and its inward computerized coin Atom. Cosmos is a biological system comprised of blockchains that can communicate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was detached and couldn't converge with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Additionally, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. Nonetheless, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains fill in as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Equan in 2014. Cosmos makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the communication objectives: versatility, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, verification of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting vindictively. Adaptability is a fundamental component of any task pointed towards supporting future application improvement. Cosmos will probably build its versatility utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. Cosmos Value Investigation. Cosmos is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee cooperation between them. The organization works on the Tendermint Agreement calculation, and the engineers position it as a web of blockchains. On August 18th, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos engineers send off a span to the Ethereum organization, mix of SIFchain, a decentralized trade on Cosmos organization, with the between-blockchain correspondence convention permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, following a while of combination, a TOM USD started to flood on July 24th. It kept on doing as such until it arrived at new high on September 12th. A TOM USD halted the hop on September 14th, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.50, with a few days of combination around the cost region. On September 16th, the Cosmos cost made another push higher, laying out a new low top as bulls were not yet all set any further. Then again, the Atom coin has kept on ascending since August 23rd. It pushed through a few deterrents before at long last breaking out of a momentary combination range toward the start of September. The Atom project cryptographic money conversion standard hence passed the $40 mark, laying out another unequaled greatest cost of $44.42 on September 20th. Cosmos real cost. As per coinmarketcap.com, the real Cosmos value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Throughout the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and over the course of the week, it has fallen by 1%. Cosmos cost examination has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. In addition, its worth has expanded by 276% throughout the year. Moreover, Atom has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 226,226,028 coins. Market expectations. There is a considerable amount of rivalry among projects attempting to tackle the collaboration issues between blockchain. Cosmos rivals incorporate new companies like Polkadot, AN, and Penta. Cosmos offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks. However, the issue of cooperation between blockchains is as yet pertinent. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains, yet additionally to trade data in full. Consequently, the eventual fate of the task relies upon its turn of events. It is unsafe to compose an estimate for the Atom cryptographic money. Very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively erratic. Nonetheless, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they match with the truth is another inquiry. As per wallet financial backer and computerized coin value, the Atom rate will keep acquiring benefit in an issue of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of likely development. Gov. Capital Cost Gauge isn't more bullish than others since it predicts that the cost of Atom could reach $29. Numerous specialists who reason essentially and don't face challenges consistently exhort on the off chance that you put resources into Cosmos, not to an extreme. What's more, they help us to remember the way that such speculations ought to be seen as long haul. There will be no easy gain for this situation. Furthermore, obviously, Atom's possibilities will be impacted not just by the improvement of the actual undertaking yet additionally by the condition of the digital currency market all in all. Urges all clients to do their own examination prior to putting resources into cryptographic forms of money. You can likewise see the rundown of coins that will detonate in 2022. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Atom value conjecture for November 2022. Having broke down Cosmos costs, digital money specialists expect that the Atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022, Cosmos value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the Atom cost could vary somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The most extreme expected Atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Cosmos Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $26.03 and $32.11. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Cosmos and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cosmos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Atom costs are normal in 2026, $67.61 and $59.36. By and large, it will be exchanged at $60.96. Cosmos Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Cosmos. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Atom cost will be around $86.03. It could drop to at least $83.60. Yet it actually could reach $102.34 all through 2027.